Bless your razz. If you farted in this video, your church.
Trying to suck me, daddy.
You got mac and cheese? Do you put ranch in there or you just plain Jane?
Who the fuck puts ranch in mac
I
and
don't
cheese?
know. Church, you put ranch in mac and cheese?
Don't think I wouldn't not try it.
Who the fuck this bitch DoorDash?
So what'd you get, Roger?
I got an exhaust. A real exhaust.
Not an Axleback.
A man's exhaust.
Man's exhaust. So wait, so your exhaust is just from here up? This is all you paid for?
Here, there.
What?
This was $400.
What the fuck? I thought an Axleback was at least, yeah, I guess.
Axleback.
Yeah, no, I guess that makes sense. Holy shit.
Gotta play to play, baby.
It's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, dog, grip that e-brake harder.
Did you get it off?
We got it. Luckily, a bolt snapped. Made it 10 times easier.
Nice. Enjoy your trip to AutoZone.
Oh, yeah.
I can help this time a little bit.
Just be careful of going over there. Church just shit himself.
That's what we thought when we saw EJ looking like that.
Do it yourself, bitch. Fucking working on your car.
We have to go to 2 different stores.
Bro, we had to go to AutoZone and then Advance, and there was one on each shelf.
How's it going on?
I'll tell you in a second.
You want to put the exhaust together?
What?
Like the new one?
What you talking about, Willis?
Oh, you already put the regulator in.
Yeah, we're already doing things.
But I thought. I guess I'm on.
Did we?
Is there a wrench where? By your feet, I think. Or is that the hanger shit? No, that's the hanger stuff.
I got this one.
Yeah, that's all I see. At least on this side. I do like how you're resting it on your fucking belly, though.
Yeah, you like that? George was supposed to be under helping me, but
George, how come you're not fucking
You're
helping?
in the way, dog. You
What
want to
are-
go to the other side?
you know where the wrench
Yeah.
went?
I'm going on the other side.
Where are the clamps?
The clamps are over by the fucking bullshit. Does that just slide on?
Yeah.
Maybe you should put the clamp on first.
Yeah. Good call.
George's face. George's fucking face right now. George, you look dead, dog.
Hold on. Okay.
What are you guys doing over here?
There it is. Thank you, sir.
Top ends. Got a little clunking in the rear.
Car gets too much action.
Oh!
Yeah, from my big ass.
Sticking it in the hole.
You mean on the hole?
No, in the hole. So loose in it, you fucking fart.
I thought he already was.
Imagine your name being Wash.
E-cram.
EK Rams, come on.
That's what I say, EK Rams.
I thought it was E-gang.
I'll show you something gay. Get a little gay laugh.
I got it. Oh my god, he got it. I broke it. Oh my god, this fucking one. Come on.
Roger, how much to put a Churchill sticker on the bottom of your car somewhere?
How do you want to?
No shot. What if it was like all the way up here? Nobody sees it.
Yeah. I'm a hard on for the exhaust, and then you just mentioned church.
Yikes.
Ducks or geese?
You having fun over there, George?
I have a video where we walked out of the house with the
Imagine it just fucking fell and just whacked your shit. It just fucking rocked you. How's the top hats coming out?
Good, I think.
At least you're almost done.
Hopefully. This kind of weird. It's a little weird.
It's not weird.
What?
How's it going down here?
Let's go. Just fighting some old bolts. Just gotta talk to it real nice.
Rono also lock. George over here fucking pretending to be a cat. George fucking it up. George fucked it up. You guys want to hear something funny about EJ in church right now? They're doing the finishing touches. They're just tightening everything, and then EJ noticed that church forgot to add the fucking cap to it. So now he has to take it all out to put back on the cap.
Loosen 2 bolts, put the cap on, and tighten 2.
EJ's mad.
We have to do this again.
I got it. I was
Why do we have to do it again?
There's all these clamps in the shop. Actually, I just need bolts. I don't need clamps.
I mean, they probably come as clamps. Might as well just do it. Polyurethane bushings, new clamps, this shit was mint.
Bent.
Church didn't even finish cleaning up the mess.
What? I cleaned up.
Church, you didn't fucking clean up your mess.
Cleaned up.
Jack stands up there, though.
Those are his jack stands. They gotta go in his car.
2 jack stands out in the middle of the fucking street.
5 feet apart because I'm not gay.
It's a 3-inch exhaust, right? I think so.
And she's down. Look at that ass.
That's not even fucking. Oh shit, that was.
How'd that sound?
Pretty good.
We heard you throughout the whole fucking neighborhood. The whole neighborhood.
It was fucking amazing.
I don't know if it's placebo effect, but I definitely feel like I picked something up. Going from
Usually you do.
stock to that.
Usually you do. You get a little bit more.
Well, from Rome, a little more boost.
I mean, technically,
Look at the smile. I thought my smile for my top half was good. This smile is fucking infectious.
Hey, answer your question.
So today I'm going to be installing my new horns. So I got these from SICKSPEED. Wait a second. These are white. That's not gonna, hold on one second. Oh, yeah, that's much better. I had to paint them. This shit's gonna be fucking quick. Whop, whop. Right?
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop, whoop.
Did you grab the 12? Did you grab the 12 pieces?
Ooh, can't say that.
The new ones. Is it?
Fucking easy. Easy mode. No, I know. It's fucking nice. 6-speed, baby.
I didn't know which one's which. Question.
Wow, they are so much bigger, too.
Big Johnnies. Bro, those your turbos?
Yeah, this is my turbs.
My turbskis. Yo, nothing.
Mine's on the saw.
Left or right? I left it the way it was.
So I could push it on, then I could get to the other one without going underneath. I don't know where we're gonna put the ground. Actually, huh?
so where are we going then? I don't really know what that is.
Just a straight fucking face.
First off, does it fit?
He goes, do we have to take off the bumper for this? Fuck no. George. It's alright. George, go get the bolts. The bolts.
It's in there.
That's Bluetooth.
That's Bluetooth? You're right. You trying to be home by time?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
He don't give a shit about nothing.
Probably this one was that.
See, I went with 6-speed because it reminds me of high school.
They're sick.
Yeah. Oh, because I used to use them for my Civic back in high school, and I didn't want to do hella because everybody fucking does hella. So let's bring back a classic 6-speed.
Now the part that's gonna be hard is, okay, class. This is gonna be fucking hard.
I mean, you don't have to worry about the washer realistically. You can wash the car.
Bye bye, washer. Bye bye, washer. Back to the lobby.
That's racist. No, Clint has to mute this because you.
Yeah. Where'd it go?
That was loud. It was higher pitched though.
Get the car out of the freaking garage!
Yo, you probably scared the hell out of your cat.
Yo, you blew my eardrum out. Oh my god. Ear. God dang, man.
Alright, now we just put it back together. And we got a nice little purple in there. Actually looks fucking sick. You can even see through the fucking grills. That's sick.
I'm not sick. signs his fucking name.
It ain't even fucking sticking no more.
Oh my god.
Oh no!
So much dirt. It see like it fit.
It's the green one. Little bonus install. Just got these in the mail. If you don't know what these are for your ventilated seats in your vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. All right, for those who don't know how the ventilated seat works in your Lexus, there are these blowholes, and these blowholes kind of blow to the passengers or the back seats. However, there is a intake fan above the seat right here. Well, underneath the seat, I should say, right here. So when the air blows out, it gets sucked in. But these, I'll show you. It's really hard to film, but these kind of slip over them, and then they kind of just make the air flow straight up, which is really, really nice. So you get basically direct airflow right to your ventilated seat, which is pretty cool, if, you know, pun intended.
Ready?
Got him.